Good morning. It is 5:29 a.m. and I am en route to the next body of water to fish over this beautiful Labor Day weekend. I have a buddy who is actually meeting me at the ramp at a place that I have struggled to catch any bass of any significance. This place is really cool and it makes up to be an excellent smallmouth fishery and should be overall an excellent fishery altogether. But unfortunately, I have just absolutely failed to catch anything at all. So what I'm doing today is I'm meeting a buddy there. He's going to show me the ropes, teach me how to catch fish there, and we're going to see if we can break my streak of dinks and see if we can pull in some big ones. So let's go.
Oh, you stay down, buddy. Little guy. On the top water. That's fun. Hell yeah. That's another one. Oh, you stay down. Stay down. Come on.
Shit. Come on. Oh yeah, that's a big one. Gotcha. Camera. I want to weigh this one. He's heavy. Hey, dude, stop. It's a fucking 18-incher. Hey, listen, no. Are you serious right now? Damn it. Oh, whatever. 17-inch smallmouth. Didn't get him on the board though.